Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RV. I'm good, man. What's up?
We are remote.
Yes, we're in Ocala RV Show. Last day.
Last day of the Ocala RV Show. They said it's supposed to rain today, but it is beautiful.
Yeah, and I'll tell you, obviously we do stuff together, but you have the best booth.
I agree.
Me as a van guy, this is the only booth I want to go into, other than the booth with the Cybertruck.
There is a Cybertruck here. Hank has spent more time on that Cybertruck than any van this week, I think. He's like a little kid in the candy store.
Count this as my time in the booth.
Perfect.
So let's go in. This is beautiful.
We have 50 vans here in Ocala.
Yeah.
It ends today.
Yeah.
But yes, our guys have worked very hard to get this as nice as it is.
This is a Class B Oasis.
This is the Class B Oasis.
I love it. Awesome. So
Yes.
you've got what vans do you have here?
So we have Storyteller, we have the American Coaches, we have Coachmen, Adventure Vans. We have, check this out. We sold 3 of these.
These are beautiful.
Ron was here and he worked all weekend. And he left a day early. He's a slacker.
Yeah. And so you have to actually officially sell this for one sold flag to be on it.
One sold flag has to
So you sold that one 3 times?
Well, we sold one and we took 2 orders of the same one.
Oh, okay. Right. All right. That's how that works.
But all these are Coachmen. Look at this aisle. Look how long this aisle is. As far as the eye can see.
All right, folks, let me tell you about an absolute game changer for those of us living the van life or embarking on overlanding adventures. Today's sponsor, Liquified, has come up with the ultimate solution for RV tank troubles. There's nothing worse than stubborn tank buildup when you're out on the road, right? Well, Liquified RV Tank Cleaner is here to help make those worries a thing of the past. This enzyme-based solution does exactly what its name suggests. It liquefies solid waste and toilet paper, making the dumping process smooth, clean, and easy. And the best part, it's environmentally friendly and 100% biodegradable. So you can maintain your RV without harming Mother Nature. You can snag this must-have product on Amazon today. Just click on the link in this video's description. Trust me, your RV tank and your peace of mind will thank you. Make every journey a clean and fresh one with Liquified.
Coachmen, about halfway down, it turns into road treks down there.
So before we did this, we did a lot of videos.
Let's introduce Corey and Angie real quick.
Oh,
so
yeah,
this is Corey.
They want to be in the video.
Corey teaches everybody how to use their RV. This is Angie. Angie has been selling vans for us for 2 years now.
2 years, yes.
2 years.
Yes.
Congratulations.
And she's awesome.
She is awesome. She's very knowledgeable.
Now you guys can finally see me.
Very patient.
I'm not hitting anymore.
He can't deal with too much attention.
No, he can't.
Okay, we don't let Corey get. Okay, Corey, that's it.
That's
no more
it, Corey.
attention.
We gotta move on.
No more attention. So anyway, I want to show you something cool in the
Yes.
Coachmen section.
This is your favorite van that you've seen in this entire show.
It is. It is. And for a couple of different reasons that we're going to go over. So everyone knows.
He just told me if this was a rear bath, he would buy it today.
It will be out of here. I wouldn't let you guys get it.
We did.
I would not do it.
So I will say, Coachmen, because we are their top dealer in the country, and this is a big show for us, for them, that they kind of give us some of the new, the new hot stuff that no one's ever seen, no one else has.
And you do a lot. Like there
show.
was a big meetup here for the Beyonds outside, and we had Novas and Gallerias.
There was over 100 vans there for the weekend. It was
you brought
insane.
Dinner for everyone on Thursday, I think, and then breakfast this morning.
Dinner, potluck, karaoke, breakfast this morning. It was cool. But what's really cool is this is a brand new van from Coachmen.
Yes. So this is a brand new Beyond, and I think it's on a 2023 chassis, but it's a 24 Beyond, right?
That's how they all are, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now, the color.
So that's.
I found this color. I went all over America. Avalanche gray, my
give Hank
people.
all the credits.
Everybody knows this.
Good job, Hank.
I've been talking about Avalanche gray. Nick, this is what Avalanche gray looks like.
This is what Avalanche gray looks like. This is all I've been hearing about for
Put this in your brain.
2 weeks is how much Hank has told everybody we have to sell Avalanche gray. And I will tell you, Hank, you are correct. This is a very good color.
What?
Good job.
Yes.
Good job.
Like once I made.
What's very cool is that this is the newest color. It has some of the newest options, some of the newest features. We actually sold this exact one yesterday to somebody that flew down from Michigan.
I met them.
They hung out at the display, but they didn't want the lithium. They wanted the generator model.
Oh, okay.
So
this is Li3.
They ordered this exact. This is a double Li3. So we have double lithium.
Right. So 16 kWs or 16,000 watt hours plus, because I think.
Or 1,260 amp hours. There's lots of different.
And it's a it's a 22C.
22C.
So okay, couch. It's got gray. It has the nice headlights that I
It
love.
does nice headlights. It has a brand new interior color. It has the brand new floors.
Yeah, let's go in.
Let's jump in here.
Yep.
The air conditioner is on, so let's see. Should we lower this maybe?
Yeah, lower it down a little bit.
Let's see if I can. Let's see if I know how to work these RVs.
Yeah, you better.
I do. Look at that. I just took it from high to low.
Oh, look at that.
So what's very cool is it has the new countertop color, the new modern gray cabinet color,
New floor.
the new floors, the new square sink with the new faucet, the new handles. It has everything new. I mean, like even this. So how about this?
It's been around for a while.
Dean Savis, who's the trail boss, he is the head of the Facebook group. He just bought his brand new Beyond from us.
And we showed it, but we didn't tell anyone.
We didn't tell anyone. You know the first thing he said? I said, Dean, how do you like your new van? He goes, Nick, I love it. I said, what do you love the most? He says, I love this countertop extension right here.
Yeah.
Because I've had my van for 6 years. I put 200,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
And he said, the thing I'm going to get the most use out of is this extra countertop right here. Because when I'm standing there, I can put my coffee here. I have more space. I have a whole nother cabinet. It's the little things.
Yeah, so he could stand there, have coffee, look at Murphy, try to escape.
Always. You know? Murphy's like trying to get out of prison every day.
So there's so much. So let's look in the bathroom.
Yeah. So the bathroom has a new handles.
Have to see the bathroom.
Nice big bathroom. Nice new shower head.
Sink in there. I like the sink size. Nice.
Very cool.
This is a side bath. As I tell everyone, rear bath is the best.
It's the best for a big dude like you.
For me, yeah. You know,
but you know what you don't have in a rear bath is this big fridge.
Yep.
You know the C and the D model both have the big fridge. The rear bath has a small fridge but a bigger bathroom. So it depends on what's important to you. This is the brand new convection microwave with air fryer.
Yep.
Does that make things healthy?
Air frying? I think so.
Yeah.
Let's go with that.
So if I air fry some French fries, does that make it healthy?
It's still healthy, yes.
Bacon?
Yeah. Anything you eat that comes out of air frying.
There's no pork on your fork, Hank.
It's healthier, yeah.
It's healthier.
Turkey bacon, beef bacon.
Turkey bacon, beef bacon.
So square sink, like you said.
Square sink. Check this out. I had 2 or 3 people mention this week. Check this out. This is a new table. Boom, boom. Look at that.
Yeah.
And it swivels around. Cup holders. The
Right.
color matches.
So they didn't always do these rectangular tables because they had square ones, but then there's also the square with the leaf.
Correct.
Is that an option or something? Did you have to ask for? Okay.
No, it's just this is what's coming. And there's another lagoon, so you can move this to this side if that's convenient for you. However, everybody uses their vans so differently, so they kind of make it to where it can be interchanged. Has the new TV, the new King antenna, digital antenna, and cell phone booster. It has the newer Truma AC, which is very cool.
Yeah.
I think, something else Dean mentioned, Hank, is you're probably used to it because you have newer cushions.
Right.
The cushions on his van are 6 years old. So that's when they were just getting started. He actually has a CrossFit. He sat down on these new cushions and he said, Nick, I got a full night's sleep for the first time in 3 years.
Yeah, these are more comfortable than even my van, which is about 3 years old.
Really?
Yeah, because they improved since then.
I know a guy at Coachmen. Why don't we ask him to get you some new cushions?
That would be awesome.
Hey, I'll ask for you. How's that? Something else that's pretty cool. Hank, go ahead and show us some of the cool Ford features. And now we make no guarantees about what features and what options and all that.
Right.
These chassis all come different. But Ford is really doing a great job with their big screen, with all their adaptive cruise control, with all their cameras, 360.
This is not cool.
This is not cool.
I should be able to just remember Drake?
I know.
Push the button.
Drake said he does not drive a car that you have to use.
I ain't buying nothing I gotta start the keys with. Something like that. So yeah, you gotta have to actually put that in there.
Is that on the Hotline Bling song?
I don't know at this point.
Hank doesn't know.
Well, I learned last night you know all about sci-fi movies.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh my god.
Don't get me
Look at
started
that.
on sci-fi movies. We're trying to save time.
Angie.
So check it out. This, for the first time, there's a digital rear view mirror.
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
And as Nick is saying, this isn't going to be on everything, but this could be on what you're getting.
Pretty cool.
And this is actually really, really, really nice. So you can, here, Nick was, you press the, you can change.
You can move it up and down.
Yeah, you can move it up and down. There's like
it's
a
pretty
menu in here and all that kind of stuff. It's very realistic, and then you could just switch and go to actual rear view mirror, which I'm testing right now, and see out there, or go back to it. So that's
What's nice
awesome.
about the C is you can actually see behind you as well.
Yeah.
It has a bigger screen there.
Yeah. Let's see, I might have to have it turned on and then we could go.
There you go.
Yeah, so here we go. It's 360.
Yep, 360.
Remember I had to put that in mine?
Did you?
Yeah, remember I had to install a 360?
Yeah, that's right.
So digital rear view and 360. I'm telling you, Nick. Oh my gosh.
You need this.
Yeah.
Get that beeping on.
Yeah, I'm going to take the beeping off. So it seems like a small thing probably to some people, but a big deal to me. And what I really like about the Beyond is this gives you a lot of nice room. Look, I like to drive like this with my arms stretched out, you know, and my knees need space and stuff like that. So
I'm telling you, the Ford's one of the most comfortable driving, feeling vans out there.
yeah, this is really nice, man. So all the combinations here. Now, this may not be perfect for me because it's not a rear bath. Is this the only one you guys are getting, or are we getting more? What's the deal? I want to know. Like, how many more of these are coming in that are
Avalanche gray?
Gray interior.
So I have an Avalanche gray with the rear bath and double lithium coming next week.
Oh my gosh. Do you?
I know exactly what you want.
Why are you trying to start trouble?
I know.
I'm gonna leave that in the video, and someone's gonna be like, "I want that, not Hank."
No, so this is the only Avalanche gray in the entire world right now.
It's
Coachmen
from Beyond, from Coachmen.
Yeah. Coachmen has not bought another one. This is the only one. I mean, obviously, like I said, it's here at the show.
Yeah,
with
it's
us.
a great color.
The next ones that we are getting, I'm asking them to give us more. As they're ordering their new batch of chassis, I am asking for more of this Avalanche gray color.
Absolutely, I would do that. And if you guys can't see it here, it might not translate well.
Well, here is
it
what's
looks
nice,
gray.
because in the sun,
it could look white. It could look
in the
bluish,
sun,
grayish, white.
You can really see.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I love the new lights.
The new
also.
headlights are a big deal too.
Yeah.
You need an upgrade. It's time for an upgrade.
Oh man, I'm so tempted.
I agree, Nick.
You get that
That-
rear
that
bath,
I
double
second. I
lithium,
second that.
Avalanche gray with
I know
the
a guy at
digital rear
Coachmen.
view mirror.
I don't want to talk to
Over.
him.
Over. It'll be over.
It'll be good.
And Lola, I don't know. I made it to 25 years married to Lola tomorrow.
I was gonna say Monday's your anniversary.
Yes.
Congratulations.
You think I gotta make it further?
Congratulations.
I don't
That
know
is-
if I'm gonna make it further than when that rear bath Avalanche gray.
She said if you
showed
get
up.
her a Cybertruck, you can have the Avalanche gray.
No, Cybertruck is for me.
Oh, that's for you.
Yes, that's for
And
me.
the Avalanche gray.
And
And
this
the
is for
Avalanche
me.
gray. So you.
Right.
Who's the E-Transit for?
That's
him.
me.
Right.
That's for
Yeah.
him.
Who's the plaid Tesla?
It's
I'm allowed
Lola.
to drive that one.
Oh, you're allowed to drive.
Yeah, don't look at
The
driving.
Model X, the plaid one.
Tomorrow I'm driving it.
1.9 seconds 0 to 60.
It's pretty
or
fast. Yeah, it's
something.
pretty fast.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm a car guy.
You are.
What can I
You
say?
are.
But listen, this was fun. It was fun hanging out with you.
It's been a great week.
Yeah, on behalf of all the folks out there that were at the rally, that was awesome, man. What you guys do, like, I know usually you guys don't work on the weekend, so your whole staff has been working down here at the show,
Everybody,
over
yes.
there. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Also, those guys put everything together. You know, the folks who organize it, when you're talking about Dean and
Peggy.
everyone over there did a great job.
Fits.
Yeah, Glamour
well,
Fits, everyone, yeah.
She's like a worker bee, let me tell you.
Yeah.
She is.
Yeah, all the folks, and then also Coachmen. You know, Coachmen had folks out there. I think they had people from Firefly.
They had Paul out there.
Yeah, Paul.
Their head service
Great gift
guys.
Yeah,
bags.
yeah.
I saw a
Awesome gift bags.
picture of Nick Recchio on a ladder, help checking out the top of someone's
Yes,
van.
I also saw him under someone's van. So
There's not many RV manufacturers that their GM, the guy in charge of the whole department, is under a van in the middle of a horse park fixing something
No.
or on top of it. So
Yeah.
I will say that is one of the big reasons for the
Yeah.
success
Funny.
of Coachmen.
What's
is
up, Lola?
because
And one other thing I would add too is that being here at the show, this was the only location where owners were willing to actually be in the booth, talking to people about their Beyonds
Yeah.
or Novas. Ask me about my Beyond. Ask me about
Yeah,
my
that's
Coachmen.
everybody volunteered.
Yeah.
Everybody.
absolutely, you had so many owners willing to do that. You couldn't let everyone do
No,
it.
people were so disappointed. They're like, Nick, I signed up to be a volunteer in your display. I'm like, sorry, we had too many volunteers sign up. We had to,
Yeah. Yeah. I want to
kinda
keep
fix
this.
them.
I want to keep it short, but one quick story on what you were saying. So there's a gentleman that came here to look at the vans, right,
Yeah.
from New York. Tony and Lisa. I'm going to give them another. They
Diane?
got two. No, his daughter Lisa, I think. They got two shout outs now.
Tony from Long Island.
From Long Island, yeah. So he said, you know, you always say that there's no other company that the guy who's in charge of everything comes down and looks at the vans. And when I pulled up in my van, he couldn't get he rented a Coachman. He wanted to rent a Coachman to come here. He couldn't get one. He came with a Winnebago. When he pulled up, he said there was a guy looking in his van and stuff like that, looking around it. The guy came to talk to him. It was Nick Recchio. And he was like, you told me that, and then it happened. So, you know, we're not making this up. I want
We're
people to
not
know
making
that.
this
Yeah,
up.
these guys take care of you. It's important the place you buy it from, the dealership, cares about you.
Very much.
That actually is not common.
Right. We just do things different. You know, I always say we have no experience in the RV industry. We just started doing this.
Yeah.
And we just did things.
That's a good
treat
thing.
people the way we want to be treated. I do things for customers the way I would, because I'm a customer of a lot of things. And I'm like, man, if I have a car and I need it fixed, I want someone to tell me, Nick, we'll fix it for you.
But traditionally, the dealers want you to buy that thing and go away.
Yes.
So
and
it's
that's not the way we roll.
Absolutely. And it's the same thing with Coachmen, I think. Like, Coachmen really cares about who buys their vans.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't matter where or when you bought it. He was crawling under a CrossFit, like you were saying, that he said was probably one of the first 10 vans he ever built. You know, and someone found it somewhere, and he's going to help that guy and take care of the people who own these things.
Cool.
It's a big deal. There's a few other companies that you deal with that do that, but they're one.
Yeah.
So I'll let you end this, man, since it's your party.
Oh, it's my part. I can cry if I want to.
Yes, if you want to, cry.
No, it's been a great week. Thank everyone for watching the videos. Thank you for coming to the rally and supporting us at the show. We have been selling, as you can tell. We have sold signs there. I mean,
congratulations.
We have sold lots of vans.
You
this
even sold
weekend.
Hilt.
We sold a Hilt, a Storyteller Hilt this weekend.
Yeah.
So lots of cool things. Thank you guys very much.
Yes, thank you.
Do
Thank you.
a lot to you guys promoting
Yes.
the Class B lifestyle
Yeah.
and everything about it. People absolutely love you
Yeah.
guys. Everywhere I go, they're like, "Oh, where's your buddy at? Tell him to stop interrupting you. Where's your buddy?"
Oh, I knew you were going to try to throw that one in.
I got a
there.
video. We got to show this
Okay,
video.
speaking of which,
Can I
we
show
have to
a
get out of
video?
here. So that's the end of the video. We
Can I
are
show
out
a
of here.
video?
Leave your likes and comments and all of that. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Boop.